Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today is going to be our February BoxyCharm unboxing, and I did mention it in a video, I don't remember which one, but just to recap, I did the November unboxing. December came and I actually ordered the BoxyLuxe, and I was really happy with it. I loved it, but I ended up giving it to a family member for a Christmas gift, so I couldn't do the December unboxing for that, but stay tuned for March. We will do the BoxyLuxe unboxing because I really liked December's. It was great. January, I could not get down to film in time, and then I lost it at one point. It was a mess. So here we are, February. And we're super happy about February's. My face is completely bare. I don't have on anything at all whatsoever. So the first thing that I'm pulling out of the box are these. Now these are Tula. This is by the brand Tula. It's bright all night energizing sheet masks. And you get 4 of them. So each of these comes with 2 in the pack. And I did use one last night because I didn't want to use it this morning, and it says it's bright all night energizing, so I used it at nighttime. So I will insert a clip of that. So these retail for $24. I don't know if it's like a pack of 2 retails for $24 or if just the one retails for $24, or maybe all 4 of them retail for I don't know. It says $24. So yeah, I will go ahead and insert the clip. It says it's infused with probiotics and fermented birch water. I've already cleansed my skin and done my toner for the night. So you apply it to your face, leave it on for 10 minutes, and then massage in the remaining serum for a boost of radiance and hydration. It says the probiotics and fermented birch water lock in moisture and give an even-toned appearance, and it has hyaluronic acid and citrus extract, which will energize, brighten, and give skin a plump appearance. So this is my skin now. We're gonna get kind of close here. Nice and clean. It almost smells like bergamot. Bergamot essential oil. It kind of smells like that. Bergamot and Ling Ling. And I will be back in 10 minutes. I would smile, but I don't want it to get all weird. Okay, bye. Peel this off. And then massage the rest of this into my face. Now, it didn't slip and slide around when it was on my face. It was just kind of small though. I don't know if it's because I have a big face, but I couldn't keep it centered around my lips, and then on my eye, on this eye, it was kind of in my eye, so minor annoyance. But yeah, I don't know. I can't tell if my skin looks any different, but I'm assuming I probably have to go to sleep and look at it the next day. So this is what my skin is looking like. I think it's one of those things where you need to use it consistently to see a huge difference. But I mean, my face does feel softer, it feels smoother, it feels nice and hydrated, and I love sheet masks. I love masks, period. I've been on this skincare kick for 2019 that I'm really trying to stick with. So yeah, I will continue to try those out. Next product that we have is by the brand Touch in Soul. This is the No Problem Primer. It's a smooth and pore covering. It's top secret for perfect makeup. That's what it says. So this one says, create a seamless canvas for your foundation with your new Touch in Soul No Problem Primer. The light silky texture blurs pores and wrinkles, giving your skin a soft velvet feel. Green tea and collagen act as adhesives, holding on tight to your makeup for many hours of flawlessness. This retails for $18. And I'm gonna pair it with one of my foundations, and then I will let you know my thoughts when I'm done. It feels like kind of like a moisturizer, kind of serum-y. When I got finished with it though, it did seem a little bit greasy, or a little bit like oily, but I have experienced that with other pore filling products that I have. But I did notice it getting really like kind of cakey and patchy right in the middle of my eyebrows and kind of around my nose, but those areas are where I tend to be more dry, and this obviously is not a moisturizing hydrating primer. So maybe I'll use this on like my problem areas, like where my pores are at. But you do get 1 fluid ounce of this. This definitely is going to last a long time. So I'm going to do my brows, my concealer, and my powder off camera, and then I will be right back. So now the next thing in the box is the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. This one retails for $24. And I'm sure most of you have heard of this one. Now I have used this before. I had a mini one. I got it in my Ipsy bag like a year or something ago, but it's nice that I have this one now. So I'm gonna zoom you in while I do my mascara. My lashes are very small. I always end up getting mascara on my eyelids as well, so just bear with me. But yeah, let's put it on. Okay, so after getting the mascara off my eyelids as best I could and curling my lashes multiple times, these are what my lashes look like, and this is honestly the best that it will get because like I said, my eyelashes are very small. So yeah, let me zoom you back out. Okay. All right, the next thing we have is a highlight. This is by the brand Pretty Vulgar. It's honestly, the packaging strikes me as kind of cheap. However, like I haven't had any problems with it breaking or anything. So this is the highlighter. It's in the color Shimmering Swan. It's like this nice kind of light pale gold color. Okay. It's nice. It seems pretty subtle, which I don't mind. And oh yes, that retails for $32. That is so expensive. It does seem like it's kind of like sitting on top of my skin. But mind you, I also need to exfoliate my face, so that may be part of it. I did the mask last night, but I really do need to exfoliate. But you know what? I will try it out. I'm not complaining. I'm not picky. Okay, last but not least, we have a product from Smashbox. This is the Always On Liquid Lipstick, and this is in the color Throwback Jam. This retails, it says, for $21 to $24. And I did peek at this beforehand to take a look at the color. This is the color. It's very pink. Very pink. It's like a magenta type of situation, and it's just very like fuchsia magenta type of situation, which is great for Valentine's Day. It's definitely not a color I would pick out for myself. We're gonna try it. We're gonna use a lip liner though, because I think we're gonna do my rose brown lip liner from NYX and see if we can like feather it in, make it like not so crazy looking. But you know what, I'm gonna stop talking. I'm just gonna do it. Okay, so this is not my favorite color. yeah, I think I need to play with it a little bit more and see which lip liners I can use. And since it dries so fast, it was really hard for me to try to blend it into my lip liner and make it not so loud. But I think it can be a really pretty color. It is a very pretty color regardless. It's a very pretty color. But yeah, I would definitely need to play around with this a little bit more, because this on my face right now, I don't like it, but it may just be my eye makeup. You know, there are lots of factors that come into play, but I do think it is a gorgeous color looking at it on my lips. Yeah, it's a really pretty color. I like the way it sits. It doesn't make my lips look super dry. Yeah, it's a pretty color. It did dry down. It's like a little bit tacky right now, but it's it's comfortable. To be continued on that one. Let's see, I don't have my calculator handy, but so I think the overall value of the box is about $117 to $120. If my calculations are correct. I just did it very quickly in my head, so I might be a few dollars off. Thoughts on this box overall? I always love face masks, so these were a definite yes for me. I do feel like I need a little bit more time to play with the primer, the highlight, and the lip product. I do like the mascara, the Better Than Sex mascara. However, I always put on falsies when I'm going out anyways, so I mean, it is a mascara that I would use when I'm just doing like super bare, fresh faced. But one mascara that I do really like that's a lot more cheap is the L'Oreal like Luminous Paradise mascara or something like that. So overall, this wasn't my favorite box. I think that BoxyCharm has come out with a lot of boxes that I like a lot better. However, you know, it's $21, and these are all products that I can play with and that I can work with, and I'm sure I will make them work for me, so I'm not really worried about it. So this completes today's video. Let me know what you guys got in your BoxyCharm and how you guys feel about the products. If there are any products that are working for you or that you found like a trick for, please share it with me, because I would love to know about it. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, all of that good stuff, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!